Welcome back, everyone. In our previous videos, we learned how to move inside folders using CD, check our current directory with pwd, and list files using ls. Now it's time to take the next step, creating and removing directories in Linux. The make directory command is written as mkdir. To create a new folder, type mkdir space my underscore folder. This creates a folder named my underscore folder in your current location. You can also create multiple folders at once. mkdir space folder 1 space folder 2 space folder 3. To create nested folders, use the -p option, which stands for parents. mkdir space -p space project /code /scripts. This makes all the folders in one go, even if they don't exist yet. To remove an empty directory, use the mkdir command. Type rmdir space my underscore folder. But remember, rmdir only works when the folder is empty. If it has files inside, Linux will show an error saying directory not empty. If your folder contains files or subfolders, use the rm space -r command. Type rm space -r space my underscore folder. The -r option means recursive, which tells Linux to delete everything inside that folder too. Be careful though. Once removed, the files cannot be recovered. If you see permission denied, you can add sudo before your command, like this. Sudo space rm space -r space restricted underscore folder. This gives you administrator permission to remove protected directories. And that's how you create and remove directories in Linux using mkdir, mdir, and rm-r. In the next video, we'll learn the touch command, used to create new files inside the folders you just made. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep learning Linux.